Good morning, friends. This is Kashif Raza, advocate and corporate consultant from registeryourstartup.com. Today, I will be speaking all about rupees 3 lakh crore collateral free automatic loan being announced by this Modi government. What is this MSME loan all about? So, if you are MSME, your turnover is below 100 CR and your entire borrowing has not crossed 25 CR, then only you are eligible under this scheme. So, what are the benefits? As on 29th February 2020, your entire borrowing reflected in the financials. Out of those entire borrowing, 20% will be credited by this government. But only those borrowings will be considered being borrowed by bank, NBFC and other financial institutions. Okay, if mind you that though your borrowings from other apart from this financial and bank institution will not be considered. So what will be the rate of interest? The rate of interest will be not more than 9.25% per annum, and for NBFC 14% per annum. This is being capped by the government. So what will be the last date of filing this application? The government has announced that the last date will be 31st October 2020, but this may or may not extend, I'm not sure. Now, how can you apply? So as of now, the government has not come with any of the notification or clarification with regard to the steps and the procedure to follow so that you can get the loan. But sooner or later, you will get this. This is like, I'm sure that this will come on or before 30th of June 2020. So now those MSMEs who have not availed any kind of loan, since they are not going to get benefit under this scheme, for them you can always try under this Mudra scheme. For this portal, I am sharing the link right here, but you can also write it down. It is www.psbloansin59minutes.com. Under this scheme, you need to go to the online, you need to file certain applications with all the documents which I am sharing you right now. Then you can, a provisional certificate will be issued to you. You can go and submit to your nearest bank, and then they will verify your documents. Based on that, they can they may or they may not give the loan to you. This is upon their discretion. So if you are a proprietorship firm, you need to carry this proprietorship firm registration certificate, GST certificate, 3 years financials, 1 year bank statement, your GST returns, your KYC for the proprietor, your rent agreement. If you are registered under MSME, then MSME registration, of course. And if you are a partnership firm, then all these financial documents that I have already briefed you, and this partnership deed, and then KYC of your partner. If you are an incorporated, private or public limited company, then you need to carry incorporation documents, KYC of all these directors, and these other documents that I have already briefed you. So friend, this is the difference between Mudra scheme and this Atmanirbhar Bharat scheme, where for Mudra scheme, this is applicable for anyone, including this whose loan is ongoing and who is willing to avail fresh loan. But for this 3 lakh crore package, this is only beneficial, or eligibility criteria is that this will be given to only those MSME or businesses who have already availed a loan from any of these financial institution. Hope I'm able to make clear or clarify each and every facts before you. We'll be coming with the next video sooner or later on MSMEs. Till then, thank you. Jai Hind.